Okay guys, so here I decided to do voice record. So with this soybean milk, I actually saw the recipe somewhere here on YouTube and I decided to try it too. And trust me, it was worth the time. Okay, so first what you do is you have to soak your beans in water like for 5 or 6 hours. I did mine overnight, like I soaked mine the previous night, and today morning I just I blend it. So after blending it, for those who have sifter or anything, you can use it in order to extract the juice from the jar. You can see I already did that, and look at it. And after that, you have to stand it on the fire to boil for like 40 to 45 minutes. And when it's boiling, there's one thing you need to be extremely careful for to pour, like for not to overboil. Like you have to be there stirring it constantly. I didn't know. I forgot. Like it's not like I didn't know. I forgot, and before I realized, guys, it was almost going down. You can imagine. So you need to be extremely careful. So when I do that, also I decide to clean. Look at the texture, right? It's becoming what I was thinking. At this point, after that, when it boiled 40 to 45 minutes, I did mine for 1 hour just to be sure. Then you set aside for it to cool down, and that's it, guys. You just have to fill it in your bottle. You can use it for anything. For me, I'm going to be using it to do like milk for when I want to do pancake. That's the milk I'm going to be going in for. You can also drink. It's very healthy, but like I said, boil it for like 40 to 45 minutes. And don't forget, before doing that, soak inside water. Before you blend, you have to soak inside the water for like 5 to 6 hours. I said I did mine overnight. Alright, thank you. Now we'll move to the next part, which is making this sweet plantain pottage. Oh my goodness, forget about the texture of my banana. I actually got it from the freezer. It was in the freezer. It's been in the freezer for like a week, because when I bought the plantain, I don't want to use it that same day, so I had to put in the refrigerator for a while, and today I decided to do it. So with this episode of plantain pottage, I have